Hi, I'm Rafia Khane. I'm studying in grade 8. Today I'm going to explain you about congruence and types of congruence. Congruence means any two triangles which are exactly equal to each other is known as congruence, and it has its own rules. And today I'm going to explain you about three types of congruence. So the first one is tribulus. Tribulus stands for side, 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 and this is a equilateral triangle. The angles of three triangles are also exactly equal to each other, and this is also a type of congruence, and tribulus is a rule of this congruence. And the second type is SAS, side angle side, and this is isosceles triangle. The three sides of the triangle are also exactly equal to each other. And the third is RHS rule, and it is also a type of rule which is used in congruence, and this is right angle triangle, and with the 90-degree measurement is added to it, and it is known as right angle. And where do we use this congruence in our daily life to check the environmental structure and while making carpets. Thank you.